I wanted the doggies in there with you. You're going to eat my leg? Go get the puppies. Go see the puppies.
Silly puppies. Silly puppies. Silly puppies. She's like, whoa, whoa.
Now you have no interest in the doggies once I'm videotaping. Avers, come over here. There's a doggy. Oh, there's Brian. Go get him.
She's one of the crew.